Think your Volkswagen key fob only locks and unlocks your car? You might be carrying around a feature-packed tool without even realizing it. Stick around, because in the next few minutes you're going to discover a collection of hidden Volkswagen key fob functions that many owners never learn about, even after years behind the wheel. Some of these features can help cool down a blazing hot interior before you even open the door. Others can help you avoid frustrating lockout situations, solve common key fob problems, and even save you from unnecessary visits to the dealership. The most surprising part is that none of these are secret modifications, aftermarket upgrades, or complicated hacks. These are functions Volkswagen built into many of its vehicles from the factory. The only reason most people never use them is because they don't know they exist. Take a moment and look at your Volkswagen key fob. At first glance, it seems like a simple device. A few buttons, a compact design, and a straightforward purpose. Most owners use it several times every day without giving it a second thought. But hidden beneath that familiar exterior is a surprisingly capable piece of technology. Volkswagen engineers designed these key fobs to do much more than simply lock and unlock doors. Once you discover what they're capable of, you'll likely start using your key fob in ways you never have before. Let's begin with one of the most useful features, especially if you live somewhere that experiences hot summers. Many Volkswagen models include the ability to lower all of the vehicle's windows remotely before you even reach the car. Activating the feature is usually incredibly simple. On many models, pressing and holding the unlock button for roughly 3 seconds will trigger the function. After a brief delay, the windows begin rolling down automatically. If your vehicle is equipped with a sunroof, certain models may open that as well. This feature becomes incredibly valuable during warm weather. Imagine your Volkswagen sitting in direct sunlight throughout the afternoon. By the time you're ready to drive, the interior feels like a furnace. Heat builds up inside the cabin, creating an uncomfortable environment the moment you open the door. Instead of stepping directly into that trapped heat, you can start ventilating the vehicle while you're still walking toward it. As the windows open, hot air escapes, helping reduce the temperature inside before you even sit down. It may seem like a small convenience, but on a scorching day it can make a noticeable difference. What's surprising is that countless Volkswagen owners have never tried this feature. Depending on the model and production year, the exact operation may vary slightly, making it worth testing on your own vehicle. If Volkswagen gives you a way to open everything remotely, it also provides a way to close everything again. That's where the next hidden feature comes in. Many Volkswagen models allow you to remotely close open windows and even shut the sunroof using the key fob. The process is typically straightforward. Lock the vehicle as you normally would with a single press of the lock button. Immediately afterward, press and hold that same lock button for a few seconds. On many Volkswagen vehicles, the windows will begin rising automatically until the cabin is fully sealed. If the sunroof is open, it may close as well. At first, this might sound like a simple convenience feature, but when real-world situations arise, it becomes much more useful. Imagine walking away from your vehicle when you suddenly notice rain clouds moving in. Instead of rushing back to manually close every window, you can often solve the problem with a single button press. It's also useful during those moments when you're away from your vehicle and can't remember whether you left a window slightly open. Some modern Volkswagen models offer similar functionality through connected apps and smartphone integration. But knowing how to control these functions directly from the key fob means you don't have to rely on cellular service, app connectivity, or additional technology. Moving on, let's look at a feature that could potentially save both time and money. At some point, many Volkswagen owners encounter a situation where the key fob suddenly seems unresponsive. You press the buttons repeatedly, but nothing happens. The immediate assumption is usually that the battery has died. However, that's not always the case. Volkswagen key fobs use rolling security codes as part of their theft protection system. These codes constantly change to maintain security. Occasionally, if buttons are pressed repeatedly while the key is far away from the vehicle, the synchronization between the key and the car can drift out of alignment. When this happens, many owners assume the key is defective or the battery needs replacement. Fortunately, restoring communication is often much easier than people realize. On vehicles with a traditional ignition, inserting the key and switching the ignition to the on position without starting the engine can help restore synchronization. On push-button start models, placing the key near the designated detection area and pressing the unlock button may allow the vehicle to recognize the current security code and reconnect with the key fob. In many situations, the entire process takes only a matter of seconds. More importantly, it can help avoid unnecessary battery purchases, dealership appointments, and diagnostic fees that may not have been needed in the first place. Now let's talk about something that isn't really a hidden trick, but is absolutely essential knowledge for every Volkswagen owner. Inside nearly every Volkswagen key fob is a concealed mechanical key. A surprising number of owners carry their key fob every day, without realizing this backup key even exists. Depending on the specific design, you'll typically find a small release button or sliding mechanism that allows the metal key blade to emerge from the housing. Once removed, it functions much like a traditional key. Its importance becomes obvious during emergency situations. If the key fob battery dies completely, or the vehicle experiences an electronic communication problem, the mechanical key can still unlock the driver's door. On many Volkswagen models, the lock cylinder is hidden behind a removable cover on the door handle, making it easy to overlook if you've never needed it before. Certain vehicles also use the mechanical key during specific emergency procedures involving steering locks or vehicle access. The key takeaway is simple. Knowing this backup key exists before you need it can save a tremendous amount of stress later. Unfortunately, many owners don't discover it until they're already dealing with a dead battery or a lockout situation. Speaking of batteries, there's another useful feature that many drivers overlook. Volkswagen vehicles often provide warning signs long before a key fob battery completely fails. These warnings typically appear on the instrument cluster or infotainment display. In some cases, you may also see a dedicated warning symbol. What many people don't realize is that these notifications usually appear well before the battery becomes unusable. The key fob may continue working for days, weeks, or sometimes even longer after the first warning appears. That's valuable information because it gives you time to replace the battery before you're caught off guard. Even more important is understanding what happens if the battery eventually dies altogether. On many Volkswagen push-button start models, the vehicle can still recognize the transponder chip embedded inside the key fob, even when the battery no longer has power. By placing the key fob against the designated detection point, often located near the steering column or center console area, the vehicle can communicate with the chip using inductive technology and still authorize the engine to start. While remote locking and unlocking functions may not work until the battery is replaced, the ability to start and drive the vehicle remains available in many situations. That's a critical piece of information that can prevent a dead key fob battery from turning into a much larger inconvenience. The good news is that replacement batteries are typically inexpensive and easy to find. Most Volkswagen key fobs use a common CR2032 battery. Now that you know these hidden capabilities exist, you'll likely start viewing your key fob differently. The next time you pick it up, remember that it's doing far more than locking and unlocking doors. Hidden within that small device are features designed to make ownership easier, more convenient, and less stressful. And chances are, at least one of these functions is going to prove useful the very next time you head out for a drive.